Roadmap to become a big data engineer every second. Millions of data points are generated across the world. From social media clicks to online transactions, data is everywhere. But raw data alone is useless unless someone can process, organize, and scale it. That's where big data engineers come in. A big data engineer builds systems that handle massive volumes of data, efficiently, reliably, and at scale. They make sure data flows smoothly from source to insight. So, how do you become one? Let's break it down step by step. First, understand what big data really means. It's not just about size. It's about the three verses: volume, huge amounts of data, velocity, data generated very fast, variety, different types of data. Understanding this helps you think at scale. Next, build strong programming skills. Languages like Python, Java, Scala are commonly used in big data systems. Python is great for beginners, while Scala is widely used with Apache Spark. Then, learn databases. Start with SQL, this is a must. Understand queries, joins, indexing, then move to NoSQL databases like MongoDB, Cassandra, because big data is often unstructured. Now, learn data processing frameworks. This is the core of big data engineering. Start with Apache Hadoop. Apache Spark Hadoop is used for distributed storage and processing. Spark is faster and used for real-time data processing. Next, understand data pipelines. A pipeline moves data from source to destination. Learn tools like Apache Kafka for streaming data, Apache Airflow for workflow scheduling. These tools help automate and manage data flow. Then, learn cloud platforms. Big data heavily relies on cloud. Focus on AWS, S3, EMR, Redshift, Google Cloud, BigQuery, Dataflow, Azure, Data Lake. Synapse Cloud makes it easier to handle large-scale data systems. Now, understand data warehousing. This is where processed data is stored for analysis. Learn concepts like ETL, extract, transform, load. Data lakes versus data warehouses. These are key for business intelligence. Next, focus on data quality. Bad data leads to bad decisions. Learn how to clean data, validate data, monitor pipelines, because accuracy is everything. Now comes the most important step: practice. Build real-world projects like data pipelines using Spark, streaming systems using Kafka, ETL workflows with Airflow. Work with large datasets to simulate real-world scenarios. But be ready for challenges. Handling massive data is not easy. Systems can fail. Pipelines can break. Performance issues can arise. That's why debugging and optimization skills are crucial. Think like a big data engineer. Focus on scalability, efficiency, reliability. Always ask, can this system handle 10x more data? Because in today's world, data is growing faster than ever. And those who can manage it are shaping the future. Start your journey today and become a big data engineer, building the backbone of data-driven systems.